Eri bí honorable tó fẹ́ kú sí lọ́rùn. Honorable bọ́dà tó wà l'Abuja. Mr. G. Tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ti parọ́ fún wa lọ́dọ̀ Gistlover. Ó ti àbí ẹ̀ka sórí yẹn gbà lọ́dọ̀ Gistlover. Ṣé wò ká? Ó ló ti ra diamond ring fóun. Ó ti ra àbálọ àbábọ̀. Nǹkan tá ń gbọ́ ni pé Dino mi tún ní fún ẹ lóbè mi. Sorry mo dárúkọ yín bọ̀dà mi ẹ má bínú. I'm sorry. Bọ̀dà mi ẹ má bínú. Mr. D ni tún fún ẹ lóbò mi mọ́. Kí ló mú Mr. D ìyá dànù? Kí ló mú Bending Roller Waist tó fi sọ pé àkànọ́bà Malia? Torí òkú Mohbad ló di ọwọ́ Bending Roller Waist wọn.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi, Lizzy Anjorin tender apology message sí Senator Dino Melaye. Ó tender apology message yìí ó tún pè ní uncle òun. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà náà ló tún pè ní ẹ̀gbọ́n òun. Ẹ̀yin yan wa ọ̀pọ̀rọ̀ kágbọ̀n ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu Ìyímẹ̀ṣọ́ fúnra rẹ̀ bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà bí ó ṣe lọ.
Irú quality táwa ń wá lára ọkùnrin kọ́ ni irú àwọn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ń wá. Àwọn ọkùnrin tíyàwó wọn ti ṣiṣẹ́ abiyamọ lórí wọn, tíyàwó wọn ti sọdọ lówó, làwọn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó máa ń wá kán lè sọ irú ọkùnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ dolórí burúkú. Àwọn ọkùnrin tó sọ obìnrin dolówó ọlọ́rọ̀ nírú àwa ń wá, torí ọkùnrin tó bá lè build irú Lizzy ó lè build gbogbo universe. O need ọkùnrin tó lè bẹ build empire, because irú àwọn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó máa bẹ ẹ̀ṣọ́ rẹ̀. Wọ́n á gba owó lọ́wọ́ ẹ títí tó jọ́ tó bá ti ṣe ìkóríire wọ́n máa pa ẹ́ dànù ni. Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kan tí Mr. Lawal ṣe Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ni pé Mr. Lawal ò jẹ́ kó rí wa pa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sọ nípa bàbá ọmọ ẹ̀, tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó dẹ̀ sọ nípa ara ẹ̀. Òjó ò sí nlé, Òjó lè, Òjó gbébọn Òjó amrọ̀bà. Ẹ tẹ̀lé mi ká lọ. Ìyábọ̀ ọmọ ọdún mélòó ló sọ pé ó wà jàre? Ìwọ
láàrin èmi àti mentioning that name alongside Ìyábọ̀ Òjó's name, it is not good for that man's image. It is not good. Let's be sincere. That was the reason I apologized. If you watch my yesterday show, I said, my uncle, please forgive me if I'm going to offend you with what I'm going to say. And I said, allegedly, go and watch that movie. Because ẹni tó bá ní career kò gbọdọ̀ bárù àwọn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àtàwọn wẹ́pọ̀n ká, kò gbọdọ̀ bárù wọn sùn. Mr. D, I saw your comments. I saw your write-up, ceasefire. You said some faceless bloggers, they carry something that we should not carry it. Uncle, let me be sincere with you. You've never mentioned my name, Uncle. I have no right to mention your name. I'm a business tycoon. I'm a very smart, well-educated lady with wisdom. I know what it takes to be where you are. I know that building career politically, it is not cheap. But let me be sincere with you. The mistake you made, my husband also did the same thing. Mistake you made is knowing that failed actress. Remember, she was the one that released the audio that your name was being mentioned. Anything that failed actress released on this cyberspace becomes a weapon. If you want to go to court, you can go ahead on that. But I will never support your name to be mentioned wherever they mention the failed actress name. Either you go to court on that or you send a ceasefire letter. It does not make sense for anybody to mention your name with that failed actress. And that was the reason I said sorry and forgive me if I offended you. She was the one that mentioned your name. And let that serve as a lesson that if you want to be with any woman, make sure they have career and they have money. Mr. Daddy,